Greetings, Chris Viola here with another edition of the Perfecting Equilibrium vlog. Today we're going to look at the new ON1, not sure exactly how to pronounce the name here, AI keywording tool. This costs about $40 a year, and you can also get a 30-day free trial and see if it works for you. Keywording, obviously, if you're like me, you've got 8 bazillion photos in some vague folders labeled important things like 0002002002019, so not very useful. So let's go over here and click the plus sign and get started. Now, what we're going to do today is we're going to give it something palatable. We're going to give it a small area and see what it does and see how long it takes. So let's create a catalog. And let us create a catalog by going here to a little folder I have called Stock Photos. So we are going to select this folder and see what it does. Oop. And so far, nothing. All right, I guess it was thinking. And it seems to be pulling in. Okay, a lot of these is are the names. But let's see what it's done in terms of keywording, or if it's still working on that. Let us show the keyword list. Yeah. All right. I think I have to do here. Yeah, it would help if I did a little more here, but let's select all the photos and then click scan. Now you have to give it a couple minutes here to think. And it's interesting what the AI is coming up with. Again, it's right now we're looking at convoy follows. Bridge. Don't believe there's a bridge in there anyway. Maybe someplace in the background. Building. No. Fence. No. Grass. Absolutely not. High key. Okay. Monochrome, yes. Land vehicle, okay. Mountain, absolutely not. It's on the ocean. Person, yeah, there's a guy driving. Plant, what? Railway, no. So, I think, yeah, this very useful. Wall. Yes, the mask is mounted on a wall. Plant, no. So, like a lot of these programs, the problem is that it's dumber than a box of hammers. So, am I trying? This is not horrible. What? Train station? It's a dock on the ocean. How do you get train? Well, okay. Oh, I can't wait to see this one. Huh. Interesting. Nothing. Did it just not get down this far? I guess it didn't get down this far yet. Still working, I guess. Out there. This guy, no, it's a sign. Nope, I guess it's still working. Or it gave up? I don't know. And what is this folder with the heart on it in here? Yeah, this looks like still working here. Well, I don't know. I think the real question isn't how accurate this is, but is it better than nothing? I mean, How did you not get ship out of this? C. I think with a tool like this, you're better off with extra keywords that are useless than missing keywords that are essential to find it. So I think what we'll do is we will try some larger folders, or we'll do some searching and see how that works out in part 2. So AI, still dumber than a box of hammers, still not intelligent, and if you read my column Sunday, still not conscious. Feel out. Have a great week.